sewage crisis has been ongoing for years. Right when we stepped out of the car, we could immediately smell it, feel it in our lungs, even get a little bit of a headache. And now under the Trump administration, the Environmental Protection Agency's involvement is up in the air, and local leaders are hoping to finally get their help. This sewage smell isn't just unpleasant, it's making people sick. Recent studies link it to high rates of respiratory and gastrointestinal illnesses.
This is a public health ticking time bomb.
Imperial Beach Mayor Paloma Aguirre has long fought for the health and safety of nearby residents.
Stop fighting until this crisis.
Right now, she is pushing to designate the Tijuana River Valley as a Superfund site, which would allow the EPA to clean up hazardous waste and unlock federal funds. The request was denied under the Biden administration, but President Trump's EPA administrator, Lee Zeldin, said he'd reconsider.
I sent him a letter. I asked him to come down, and a few days later, he tweeted that this is unacceptable.
But when Aguirre pushed again, the EPA shut her down, saying they were already doing everything possible.
What we need is more support, more medical interventions, money to start mitigating this.
Then last week, Aguirre announced a major shift. Zeldin now says he will ramp up federal efforts to tackle the crisis and plans to visit the area soon. Congressman Scott Peters also urged Zeldin to take action.
It feels like the pressure points are working.
However, Peters warns of possible setbacks. House Republicans have proposed slashing the International Boundary and Water Commission's construction budget by more than 50%, from $156 million to $78 million. That agency operates the South Bay International Sewage Treatment Plant, which processes sewage flowing into San Diego through the Tijuana River. Peters says these cuts would hurt operations, maintenance, and future projects. The EPA's role remains unclear, but local leaders say they're not backing down.
Our people in South County deserve better. We cannot give up.
Alex Lai, CBS 8.